What's up, gang? This is the CG right here. This is the progress that I've been making. Making all this shit silent though, you know, not really recording anything. But you know, this is the temporary look of the front end. Just got these fucking lights. I didn't even buy them though. When I fucking bought the daily, the fucking person who owned the car was gonna put some headlights on it, and he had bought these ones. And I just wanted to fucking try them out, you know. I wired them up to the fog lights so the halos work and shit. But yeah, this is the CG right now. Got some new shoes for this thing. Fucking probably gonna be here in maybe a month or so. But yeah, this is it. Right now I'm sanding down all the fucking peel and clear coat that this fucking car had. And I'm gonna respray it. Primer. Paint, color match paint. And then a fucking 2K clear. Yeah, this is some of the progress. I put some panel bond on the fucking ducktail. There's some of the gaps that it had. I'm gonna sand all this shit down. All this shit. The trunk and the ducktail and everything, it's not going to be the same color as the car. I'm going to be doing a different, what's it called? Design, I guess, for the middle tail light. It's not going to look like a traditional 6th gen coupe. And then the roof, I'm going to be painting it a different color as the car as well. And I'm going to be getting a different sunstrip. But, yeah, I'm probably gonna be getting a black one. But yeah, this is the progress that I've made though. You know, this thing's taking a really long time just because like I only have 2 days to work on this car out of the week on the weekend. So yeah, I'm just doing what I can, and I'm just glad, you know, I got the fucking daily to drive because like, man, this car is fucking stiff as fuck, loud as fuck, pretty obnoxious. I don't know. I love this car though, my fucking baby. But, you know, gotta give her a rest. But yeah, stay tuned, boy.